how to use Manychat for beginners, Manychat automation with your business. In this video, we're going to be talking about Manychat and how you can use this incredible software for your marketing schemes and how you can easily automate it with your business in the most incredible way. Okay, and we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail, so please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you get the full idea about Manychat and how you can actually unleash the power of your chat marketing. So basically, Manychat allows you to go ahead and, use all these chat messaging type ways to market your brand and also go ahead and use your, software on autopilot basically. You can drive more sales through it, get more conversions on great social media platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Okay, and it's all done through automation and it works pretty incredibly. And we're going to be going through it all through scratch. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create an account and how you are going to be working with the product. All right, so to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Get Started. Now, once we click on that, it's going to open up this sign up page. So it says, what do you want to sign up with? So we have all these social media platforms. We have Instagram. It says supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. We have Facebook Messenger, where we can create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. WhatsApp, where we can choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. And then Telegram, to power up your business with Telegram automation. So obviously it's dependent on you on what channel you would like to start with when it comes to your chat integration. Now, you could go with any one of these, it totally depends on you. I'm personally going to go with Instagram because that's the one that usually, it works the most and most people use Manychat with these services. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with Facebook because obviously Instagram and Facebook are connected through Meta. And if your Meta accounts are, wisely connected with each other, you can go ahead and simply, add them to each other and it should be fine. And you're just going to add the verification codes that they ask. And once you do that, they're going to send codes by email and all. And once you do that, you're going to fix all of that for yourself and you should be good to go. Now, on the other hand, you can also go ahead and use things like WhatsApp or Telegram as well. And that also depends on you, okay? That depends on how you choose to use these. And again, you will need permission through Facebook to get them, except for Telegram. For Telegram, I think you just need to go ahead and have a Telegram account to get the Telegram authorization. So let's say if I go ahead and click on continue with Telegram, it should redirect me to the Telegram application. So you can simply just wait for it to load up. In the case that it doesn't load up, make sure to use a VPN because in some cases, Telegram might not work in your region. Okay, that Telegram is really picky about the region thing. So as you can see, Telegram brings you to the Manychat bot, where the Manychat bot can be easily connected to your Telegram, and you can basically automate your whole Telegram workspace through that way. Now, moving on, these are ways on how you can connect yourself with Manychat. Now, I'm going to go ahead and proceed myself with the proper connection, and once we're properly connected, let's go ahead and discuss on how you can, go further along with it, how you can actually work with it moreover. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to log out with this account. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my actual account, and then we're going to get straight into it. So you're simply going to add in your login details. And once you do that, you are going to go ahead and log in with your account straight away. Now, once we do that, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you verify most of these things as you go on. And once everything is verified, let me show you what you're going to come up to. Now, once you've verified everything, it's going to bring you here. And over here, as you can see, here is my Facebook that is logged in and integrated with Manychat. Over here in accounts, we first of all have the pages that I have on this account. All right. So the pages I have on this account is this one. The subscription for it is free. The role, obviously, I'm the admin in it. And you can see the contacts, assign live chats, pins, and hide. Okay. Now moving on, you can go over to my templates where you can create templates for Manychat. Okay. You can share and reuse them as well. And we move over to API settings where you get profile scope public API where you can generate your API key. And then you get message reports daily. Okay. So basically, and this is how you're basically just, gonna work along with things. Now, first of all, you can go ahead and create and add new accounts into your channel if you want to. Okay, so if you want multiple accounts in your channel, let's say I'm gonna add an Instagram, add a WhatsApp, you can do that. So you can basically manage multiple channels in one flow. Okay, and this basically makes life pretty easier for you, because you have one table. In that one table, you have all of your multiple channels, and all of those multiple channels can be worked with pretty incredibly. Okay, and it's an incredible thing to have, I feel like, and it works pretty well with the general, movement of your channel. Then moving on, we have my templates. Now this is where the fun stuff starts because you can create templates for yourself. So go ahead and click on create my first template, and you're obviously going to choose the source account. The source account is obviously the main source of where you're going to create this template on, like it could be your Facebook, Instagram, etc. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, now over here we have select template content. So first of all, you do need to note adding an element to a template also adds all connected elements. So for example, when you check an automation which has a start another automation step, this automation is also added to a template. So basically, it's an action reaction type of thing. So you're going to, make sure to keep note of that. Now, basically, first of all, in the elements section, you have general. All right. And in general, we have messenger main menu. Okay. And we have Instagram main menu, stuff like that. I'm not going to keep the Instagram main menu. Let's keep the messenger main menu. All right. Then once we have done that, you can keep checking over here in general and flows. Okay. Which is pretty cool. Then even if we add Instagram main menu, we have the same thing with the different flows. And you have growth tools, which is a pro thing. But this automation basically uses pro elements. And if you add it to your template, users will be able to install the template to a pro page. Okay. Then moving on, you can come over to keywords for your messenger that if I activate, as you can see, I'm going to get keywords for myself, which is pretty cool. And it's good to capture leads in my opinion. Then it basically brings you to subscribe to bot, unsubscribe to bot, Facebook ads, JavaScript, one opt-in message. Now I'm not going to turn that one on, but here you can see in our template, most of the free elements have been added, which is obviously good for me because I've added most of the good stuff. So once you've done that, you're going to click on next step. Okay. And in some cases, when you're doing your selection, it might contain some corrupt elements, so you might need to remove those. So I need to remove the keywords element because I can't enable capture customer data with lead magnet. So once we've done that, it says there are no bots in the selected field template content. Just click next step or return to select content step if you would like to add content. Then here, it's going to ask you to give your, basic automation an element, or, give it an image if you may. And once you have chosen the image, make sure that it, you fit it around. Then you go ahead and add this. So let's say I'm going to add Manychat coffee place template. Okay. Then you can also keep it for protect template. See, and you can lock it. You can get remote control for it, whatever you want for security. That is all doable over here. Now, once you do all of that, you're going to click on create the template. And here you can see it says great work. The template was successfully created, and they give you a permalink as well. Okay, so if I go ahead and open this up in a new tab, here you can see Manychat loads up this template. And look at this. So this is Manychat Coffee Place template by, me. Then we have the review. The person goes ahead and reviews it. And if they like it, they're going to click on install. And we choose this page. We're going to click on install again. And here you're going to click on install now. And there we go. So the template is now installed for us, which is pretty cool. Now, when this is done, pretty much your template can be viewed. You can go ahead and edit it. You can go ahead and mess around with its details if you want to. It's all doable in this section. And the thing is, sometimes you might lose permissions. for your, automation, but that's all right because you can pretty much go ahead and refresh those permissions and fix it up pretty much. So here you can finally come over to your dashboard where we have our home where they say try our campaigns for multiple users. So you can actually go ahead and try them out. They do have a lot of installs. So convert your Instagram comments into sales, which has around 53,000 installs, which is insane. Then we have use Instagram stories to generate more leads, which has around 14,000 installed, which is again insane. And show off your site to new visitors, which is also pretty good. Now, moving on, in your dashboard, you can also see your insights. Okay, so if you want to see how many active contacts you have, how many inactive, how many net contacts, and how many things you have on a demographic, you can view it all from here. Okay, and you can also add different channels for yourself if you want to. Okay, now moving on, you can also come over to contacts where we can actually import contacts into our channel. Okay, and are different ways on importing your contacts. So if I go ahead and click on import, as you can see, first of all, importing is a pro feature. Okay, and in the pro feature, you are going to go ahead and make sure that you have applied for it. Now, there's three ways of importing usually in the pro feature. You can either import through an Excel table, you can either import one by one, or you can import through CSV. All right. Now, most people, what they do is either do one by one, if they want to add one or two people into their workspace, or they use a CSV file. Now, let me show you what a CSV file is. A CSV file is this record file, which is a, comma separated value file, basically. It looks kind of like this, okay? It looks something like this, and what you can do is you can use this to pretty much go ahead and get all of your details in one, uniform block like this. And once you add it into a directory like Manychat, it basically gets adjusted with the proper, directories and belongings. And that basically sets you up and saves you a lot of time. Okay. You don't have to waste a lot of time on, one by one, adding them, giving them different names, adding different categories for them, etc. Okay. So pretty much sets you up for pretty good stuff. Now, moving on, once we have talked about contacts, you can move over to automations. Now, your automations are where you can search automations. You have different triggers, trigger states. Under trigger states, you can also see what active triggers you have. And these are basically automations, all right? And as you can see, I have this automation activated right now. Capture customer lead with lead magnet, which is the automation that I activated. Then we have the Manychat coffee place as well, which is my own personal automation. And I can actually go ahead and manage it. So if I want to go ahead and remove something, just come here and delete it. You can also convert its channels. You can, add it in a different place and a whole lot more. And moving on, you can also go over to these automation templates. Okay, these are all automated templates that you can see. So, you get a main menu with assisted followers and locating different things for you. You can also go ahead, collect opt-ins for yourself, get conversation starters, welcome messages, default replies, and a whole lot more. And you can set them up pretty easily. Okay. And whenever some of them go live, they work pretty well with your social media platform because obviously their whole point is to market things and, work around with it. And it's pretty fun. It's pretty well developed and, well off to work along with it. And then moving on, you also have keywords. So keywords is where you can, contain your messages along with your leads and your Facebook contacts. And then we have sequences. Now, sequence is a fun one because a sequence is pretty similar to an automation, but a little different as well. So automate interactions with your contacts by creating a series of automatic messages so you have more time to handle meaningful conversations. Now, sequences basically are another branch of automations, I'd say. And if I were to come over it, let's say I'm going to come here, you can go ahead and add a sequence name for yourself. And once we get a sequence name, what happens from there is you can pretty much go ahead and create a sequence. And once you create a sequence, as it says, you can automate your interactions and you can create a series of recurring messages so you have much more time to handle yourself. which is, pretty cool. Then moving on, we have live chat for ourselves. So live chat is basically the best thing, in my opinion, that Manychat offers. So if you're an online marketer, okay, and if you have different sales channels, what you can do is you come to Manychat, you compile all those sales channels in one place. Okay, so here I obviously have added just one, which is my Facebook, but you can add your Instagram, your WhatsApp, and your Telegram over here. They're all going to appear over here. And all those channels will have inboxes, right? All those channels will have messages sent in it. Now, what if I tell you you can get all those messages compiled in one place and you can manage your sales all from this one section? You won't have to change applications every now and then. You won't have to go ahead and change your interfaces every now and then, change the way you talk. You can simply just stay in this one place and talk it out as much as you want. That is how incredible ManyChat is, that it allows you to conversate with your sales channels in the easiest way. Okay. And you can also start a live chat through bots as well. So if you open up Facebook, you can pretty much start by sending a message to your bot to try a live chat. Okay. And live chat is pretty helpful because it does help you with close conversations and all. Then moving on, we have broadcasts. Now, broadcast is a new feature. So you need subscribers to broadcast to in Messenger. So basically, once you have subscribers, what you can do is you can actually start up broadcasts for your subscribers, and you can broadcast pretty much anything about yourself, whatever your brand is, whatever you're trying to tell them, etc. Then you have broadcasts from automation. You also have new broadcasts. You can also start collecting subscribers if you want to. It's pretty cool. And you can build your messenger, masterwork, send different broadcasts to, subscribe customers and a whole lot more. And, just get the good part of all these things when you're working along with it. All right. Now, moving over, you can also go into your settings where you can, get different stuff like general notifications, billing, display, and, stuff like live chat behavior, Insta, Messenger, website widgets, fields, tags, all the items that you need to mess around with, or all the features that, pretty much change the flow of ManyChat are all in one place. And you can, go through these, work along with these as you want to, and, change the features of them if you want to, change or, mess around with them as you want to. And yeah, pretty much you should be good to go. And, that's pretty much ManyChat. And finally, before we sign off, ManyChat has two plans, the free plan and the pro plan. Now, the free plan obviously is totally free, $0 per month with 1,000 contacts limit. The pro plan, on the other hand, is $15 per month. Okay. And $15 can get you 0 to 500 contacts. This $25 can get you 500 to 2,500 contacts, and $45 can get you 2,500 contacts to 5,000 contacts. And as you can see, all available channels are given to you, including your email, unlimited keywords, and you get email support as well, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So yeah, that was ManyChat and how you can use it as an automation tool for yourself and how you can automate your business fully. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.